Hey guys, how's it going? How to get the new Instagram update. So first of all, you can go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna click on the search at the bottom right, click on your avatar icon at the top right or Apple ID icon, and then refresh to double check if there is a new update coming, including WhatsApp. And if you want to double check, you could just go ahead to your apps right here if you scroll up, and then click on apps and then search for Instagram. Okay, double check right here if there is a new update coming. If there is, just go ahead and update it, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. If you updated the app and still haven't got the new features, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna scroll a little bit down till you find the general, and you're gonna just go ahead to your iPhone storage, right? In your iPhone storage, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find your Instagram right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, and don't worry, uploading the app won't delete all of your information and privacy. So you're gonna be able to reinstall it while you logged into your account, and you're gonna get the new features. That's only for refreshing the app. Okay, so if you haven't gotten the new features yet, even though you did the uploading and reinstalling the app, that means that your the feature is not available yet in your country, so you have to wait until they provide it, until they release it into your country. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.